Hey guys, welcome. And today we have some news because now I have a mic. Well, here it is. Now I have a mic and the sound will be better. I finally managed to connect my HoloLens to my phone and also my computer. That was the problem. But now we finally made it. So I wait on feedback from you about the sound. Let's get into this video for today. And today I'm going to show you and teach you how you can make a nutrition nurturing system for your leads for three main phases, okay, or stages, which is 3 days before the call, you'll send a testimonial, a video or something. On the day before, you'll send a reminder, and on the day of the call, you'll send a link of the call. This for email, but you can also do it for WhatsApp. So what we'll need to do, we'll need to have a make. Could be a free account. You don't need to pay for anything. You can just subscribe to Make and build this yourself. What do we need to do? We'll need to create a scenario. And now we can name it 3 days before. Okay? What we'll do, we'll have to create a new CRM. I'll create one in Sheet, really easy. So sheet.new. There we go. And now what we need to do, CRM dummy. We want name, email, status, and date time. Okay, could be this. Let's just put this on a table. Now let's just add some rows. I want to delete all of them. Okay. So what we need to do now, we want to extend our table here. Nope, sorry. Sometimes I'm really dumb with our Google Sheets. So what we'll need to do, we'll have some leads. I will say Diogo. Okay, with my email. If you want to send me an email, you can for this one. Also a status, this will be demo. And a date, so this will be date and hour. Okay, will be, so today is 11, be 14 of 2026. So 14, 12, 2026 at 10 a.m. There we go. Okay. So we'll have these leads. We'll also have this, and this. This will be Carlos, and this will be Tiago. This will be in proposal, and this will be in new. Okay, so you can see what we are going to do. Now we'll add here a node for sheets, and we'll search for rows. We'll have to build a connection, and the way you do this is just by syncing up with Google if you have a paid workspace. If you don't have a paid workspace, it will be harder to do it. So I recommend you getting Google Workspace. It's way easier, and it's only €8-9 a month. After this, what you'll do, we'll search for CRM dummy, and now we'll search our sheet folio 1, and we'll search for every lead that has a status of demo. And if I search, I will find one, Diogo. Okay, there we go, Diogo. Now, what we want to do, I like to add a set so I can do some testing, which will be, I want to filter if my meet is 3 days from now. Okay, so how do I filter that? I will put my condition here, which will be my date of the meeting, and I will I will format this date in this format. So format date, and I'll format in this format over here. This will return my date in day, month, year. That's what I want. Then I want to compare if it's equal to today's day plus 3 days. That's the way I'm comparing it. So if today is 11 and I add 3 days to the actual date, it will be 14. If both match, it will go. So I'll add slash format, then I'll add slash add days, and here I'll add slash now, will be the date of now, plus 3 days in this format over here. So I want in the same format as I did previously. There we go. We have everything that we need. So if I run this, it should put Diogo over here because it's what we have. I want the Diogo, not the email. So just put this here. Okay, perfect. So, but now you are thinking, oh, but you are only searching for demo, so that's easy. Okay, so if I add another demo here, and I want to put this tomorrow, so this scheduling date will be tomorrow, we'll find 2 here, but only 1 will go. We find Diogo, and we'll find Carlos, but only Diogo passed. So now I can add a node for Gmail, and I can delete that one. I can put on my recipient the email, on the subject a video for you to see. I will send a video. And raw HTML. Why raw HTML? Because this I can personalize. I can come to my Claude and ask him, can you make an email in HTML that will remind our lead that we have a meeting in 3 days from now, and also will send a case study in video. The URL for the video is this one. And now I can put this, and let's say I want to send a video. I will use this one, okay? So I'll put this one, write the email in English, sign it as Diogo Kopk from Kopkai. Okay, perfect. There we go. He will write down an email in HTML format, which, what is this? It's a personalized email in a beautiful design, let's say. And we'll just paste it here, and we'll just put the name of the person here, and that's it. And we'll have a system that will send emails 3 days before the meeting to nurturing our lead. Let's just wait. He's crafting the email. He will show it to me, so I know how the email will look like, and then I can adjust it or not. So let's just wait for it. And while we wait, I want to tell you, this nurturing system, it's what will help you having more leads show up to your calls. Because if you contact with them, if you send some stuff, you will make them more confident with you. You'll increase your authority and also your expert level among them, and that's where you need. So there we go. We have a pretty nice email. I just don't want that. Okay, the video case thumbnail. Perfect. I will say I don't want the video thumbnail. Well, I'll leave it for now. I'll just copy, and then I'll go to make over here. And then what I will do is I will search for the text. And yeah, hey there. Instead of hi there, I want hi, the name of the person. But I don't want to go with the full name, because let's say if I have Diogo Correia Gutierrez Kopk da Fonseca, my full name, will be awkward to say, hi, Diogo Correia Gutierrez. I don't want that. So I want to make a formula here, which is first, open. Then I will say I want to split, because the next thing I will do is, so I want to split, so will be split my name, and I want to split by space. Then I want to close both. And now what we'll do is, if I have here Diogo Fonseca, the only thing I will send is hey Diogo. Okay, let's see if we have our time of meeting. Okay, no, perfect. So now if I save this, I save and I open my Gmail account. I'll need to change my email to this one. Perfect. Not this one. Will be probably this one. Not now. Okay. Perfect. There we go. So if I send this, we'll send an email to Diogo saying that we have a meeting in 3 days. And if I came here, there we go, Diogo Kopk, a video for you to see. There we go, Kopkai AI Automations. And I have this amazing email, automated. And the only thing my lead will have to do is press here and we'll go straight to my YouTube channel to see my video. This is for 3 days. Now let's just make it for 2 days. No, 2 days, no, 1 day before. We'll just need to clone this. Say it's 1 day before. While he's copying, I'll ask, now make a email that reminds the lead on the day before that we have a meeting for tomorrow. There we go. Now we'll come here and adjust these for 3 to 1 day. And a quick reminder. Okay, now we want our email. Got it, go ahead and share. Now I want you to make an email that reminds the lead on the day before that we have a meeting for tomorrow. The only thing I want you to put there, it's hi name. Just a quick reminder, we have a meeting tomorrow at, and I will put the date there. Okay, let's let him cook. Whilst that, we'll come to our CRM. We have 10 a.m. So we'll put this for tomorrow, will be 12. Okay, he's creating the email. We need just to wait a little bit, not this. Okay, there we go. Quick email. We'll now just select all, delete, and we'll replace those. So we'll do the same as before. We want first split, then we want to put the name here. We want to split by space and finish, and then we want to put our date, which will be date and time, and we have to format that in just hours. So we'll be here, big H, small m, because if I put small h will be in 12-hour format, and if I put bigger m will be months, not minutes. That's it. That's the only thing I need. Save. If I run this, I have this for tomorrow, and it will run twice because I have 2 people. So I will receive 2 emails. Yeah, but I want the Diogo. Hi Diogo, just a quick reminder, we have a meeting tomorrow at 10. See you then, founder, then. That's it. I could add more stuff here if I wanted, but I don't want this. And then if I want to add, let's say, a link. Okay, so let's say the meet is today. Okay, and we have today at 10 a.m. So we'll be 11, and we'll be at 10 p.m. and we want to send a link, which will be copcai.com, for example. Well, let's put https://. Okay. What I want now is, now craft an email to send on the day of the meeting, will be sent on the morning, saying, we have a meeting today at this time, here is the link, you just need to click this button on the time of the meeting. That's it. We'll ask him to craft the email, and now what do we need to do? Pretty damn simple. Just clone this on the day, save, then we are good to go. Here we'll delete the add days because we don't need this. We'll just leave it format date, save. Now we'll search for our email, copy, make, select everything, and then I'll come here and I'll do exactly the same. Here I want from space, perfect. Now the time will be this one over here. I will format the date in this format again. Mistake, okay. And I'll have the link here. So I need to save this, I need to run because I don't have the information for the link, but now I'll have it. So if I came down here, oh shit. Okay, there it is, it's here. Then I can put my link over there, save, run. Done. Ignore this. What did I do? Everything is good. Why it didn't run? Not because of that, obviously, but just check one thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, everything is good. Why didn't it run? Okay, we're having a few problems here. Today is that. It's correct, so what's going on? Today's date, perfect, today's date. Okay. What the actual fuck? Okay, he's not running. Okay, I'll redo this formula. Could be. Okay, format, run. Nope. Okay, and link, set variable, test. We'll put this formula here, format date, and we'll try to do that from here. So that date should be, and now I'll do the same. I'll just paste it, and I'll do now, and I will save. Okay. Oh. Okay. I found the mistake. I know what's going on. Okay, it has to be with this format here, because our date and time, it's not right. Okay. Now it should be okay. Nope. Why not? Okay, so let's do one thing before. Sometimes this happens, so we'll parse date. Okay, and we'll try it again. Nope. Okay, and link, set multiple variables, date, and here I want this, and I want format date. Okay, there we go. And I want now, and I want the same thing, but here. There we go. So, what do we have? Okay, maybe no, I'm December. Everything is good here. It has to be with this formula over here. What I will need to do is I will say the image and okay. So what's happening? He's getting the wrong date on sheet. He's getting the month first, then the day. And well, he's doing that, but not in a right way. And then on the now, he's doing right. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to parse the date. Parse date here, and I want to parse date. Okay, he's getting in month, date here. There we go. So if I do this, let me check. Okay, he's getting the wrong date. So I will switch this over. This sometimes happens when you use Google Sheets. Okay, now it's good. So now I can format that date in the same in the same format, and I should probably get it right now. There we go. Okay, so the only thing I need to do is put that in my filter. Okay, there we go. Now, if you run it, it will go through and we'll receive an email saying, a quick reminder, hi Dio, we have a meeting today at 9 p.m. You just need to click the button below at the time. And if I click it, I will go straight to my website. And that's it, folks. A few trouble over here, but that's normal when you are building this stuff. But it took us 23 minutes to automate a nurturing system for your leads, and it will take you like an hour to do it, and it will increase your show up rate. So it's a must do. And without further ado, hope you like it, hope you enjoyed the video, and see you tomorrow on our next video.